It's real, man. Let's get this empty. This is a load I just picked up. People just want me to get their stuff out, and some of it I just picked up on the side of the road, keeping my community clean. And as always, don't get hurt, Grandpa. Don't fall off the truck. So let's get to work. Let's go. Peter, bye-bye. You got it. Sorry. Maybe. Gotcha. Hey, every little bit. Just get it done. Don't get hurt. Got room for a tub? Oh yeah. Thank God. Thank goodness. Bye-bye. Cast iron. See you later. Heck yeah. You. You soldier boy. Let the heater go. Bye-bye. Up and in, over the rim. All right. Move that stuff, baby. Atta, baby. Well, who knew? Oh man, some of this stuff too, you might have seen, I got a trash hauler who hooks me up with stuff. That was pretty cool. Man, might be time for the Lieber to get in here and smash that stuff. Heck yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Get it through, baby. Get it through, get it through. Hook it up. Bye-bye. I know, I got no place to store it. Yeah. I know it. I got no place to put it. I'll get the brass though. I used to go to Atlas, but they closed. Ugh. Totally my bad. Alright, little piece of brass. See you later. Don't fall, Grandpa. I like it. Cut this off, get to the next thing. Heck yeah. Gotcha. All right. Gotcha. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, I get that all the time. Like, they'll go, hey man, what'd you sort it? I go, man, I got no place to put it. And the place I was bringing it to, they closed. So I got to find another better place to maybe bring those metals. Right now, I bring the brass and the copper and stuff, and the wire and the aluminum to SA Recycling, which is a pretty good fit in terms of like where it's at in relation to where I live. You know, because you got to do the math on your time, storage, gasoline, you know, all that happy stuff. This one's got to go. Go, Grandpa. All right. All right, we're looking good. Let's sweep it out. Let's get weighed and paid, baby. All right, this is how we did. 124, picking up. And this is better than the lottery. Beautiful. All right, so we ended up with 1,590 pounds, 176. And I like this part. We'll end it on this. Be safe out there, everybody. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let's go.